Shita. So today I'm gonna discuss about well-being and elements of well-being and how to achieve it. So first things first, what is well-being and how do you know that you're being well? Just being successful in career or being affluent or being happy or being beautiful is not considered or doesn't mean that you're being well. So well-being is all about having or leading more mindful and purposeful life, and it looks different from person to person. So basically there are 6 elements of well-being, and it's actually a combination of all 6 of them. So the 6 elements of well-being are physical well-being, intellectual, emotional, social, spiritual, and financial well-being. So it is very important to have these all 6 elements in your life to able to say that you're doing well in your life. So coming to the first one, that is physical well-being. Physical well-being is just about your diet, your food, and the rest and exercise. It just includes these 3. The first thing about physical well-being is exercise. It is extremely important for you to have at least 10 minutes walk, or it's instead of walking in your hall or living space, it's better to go out and have a walk. As simple as that. Just have a run or walk around your neighborhood, or if you can't make it to the gym, at least have running or walking. That's just enough. Or having few stretches, just incorporating just 10 minutes of exercise, either stretches or yoga or just walking or running. Any kind of exercise in your day is extremely important. Then that's all about exercise. The second thing is diet. The type of food you take, it's extremely important, which also comes under physical well-being. Not compromising on freshly cooked veggies or leafy vegetables, which is not microwaved or which is not kept in refrigerator or something like that, which is freshly cooked meals is always preferable. The third is rest. It is extremely important at what time you sleep and all of that. You're sleeping at 10:30, 11, and then you wake up at again 9. That's not the ideal rest time. Yes, that is again you're resting yourself, but the ideal rest for your body, which is actually needed, or the body which actually craves for that rest, is actually from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. is the ideal time that your body needs rest. You meet these 3 criteria, then you're all good physically. Second well-being is the intellectual well-being. Constant learning and then expanding your knowledge is always very important for your intellectual well-being. Brain activities like puzzles, or it could be playing Sudoku, or at least on your phone, something like that, kind of activities to your brain. So incorporating reading in your routine is extremely important. It's also a rest period that you're giving to your brain, forgetting all about all the worldly things in the world and then getting into some kind of zone. That is extremely important for you to give that to your brain sometimes. Apart from reading, listening to podcasts also helps. It's always good to know things. Learning is always a constant process which never ends. No matter what, there's always something to learn new every day, every time. So it's always good to learn, read, and listen to new things. It's very important to have one of these things in your as a part of your routine. The third and the most important thing is emotional well-being. Practice something which mentally makes you energized and feel good. Practicing meditation or yoga for 10-15 minutes helps. The moment you wake up, the first 15 minutes, if you could do breathing exercises, it would be great. Or at least any other relaxation techniques also helps. And secondly, you could either do something which you love, just a lot of time where you can spend our time on what you love. For example, I love reading. Like, I literally cannot sleep without reading. It's always good for your emotional well-being when you're doing something what you love. In that way, you are very independent emotionally and not dependent on any other person, especially in country like US where you're away from your family. It is extremely important for you to be independent emotionally. Fourth well-being is financial well-being. Financial well-being is all about having a good control of your financial life so that you can reach or achieve your own life goals. You can achieve your financial well-being by doing few things or making few changes in your life, either by creating a budget that works for you. It's very important for you to set aside some emergency cash in order to avoid any financial shocks in any future. Always very important to kind of learn how to manage, earn, grow, and invest your finances. Also, having a side hustles kind of helps. Important to have financial well-being to achieve your personal goals. Social well-being is also very important to have, something that you should have in your life. Social well-being is all about building or maintaining healthy relationships, having healthy conversations, meaningful interactions with people, having mutual respect of each other's differences and opinions in your social circle. Setting boundaries around your social circle, it's extremely important to have that as well. Last and the most important element of well-being is spirituality. Spiritual well-being. Spirituality is something which is very oftenly misunderstood concept. Spirituality refers not to any particular religion or to any particular ideology. Spirituality means having a set of values, beliefs, principles, and morals that provide a kind of sense of purpose and meaning to life. To find a meaning and purpose which is greater than you, that means you're being spiritual. I think being spiritual is a great necessity for every one of us. Practicing spirituality improves your personal relationships, and moreover, it also improves your relationship with yourself. Incorporating all these 6 elements in your life together, called as well-being. So kind of having these all 6 things in your life is extremely important for you, and that means you're doing well in your life. You're happy, you're content, and you're everything what you want. So these are the basic things that you need, and the rest is all kind of temporary, which come and go, and you don't need to worry about the rest of the things. You have these, you're good. So yeah, that's about well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.